Spell Respiration song by Elizabeth Hine and Kaylee Stokes because we're like awesome. Okay, ready, go. Cellular respiration, only if you've got an invitation. Can you come and join the nation? We need energy, so water. We the plants farmers grow and make ATP through a series of complex processes.
First glycolysis.
Oh, glycolysis. Let's get into this. In the cytosol of growth, and eukaryotes. Glycolysis takes glucose from photosynthesis and through a series of reactions makes pyruvic acid. 4 ATPs are made by 2 are used, but 4 minus 2 is 2, and that's a plus. Also, did I mention 2 NADH and 2 H plus are made? Depending on where the cell is, the pyruvate picks the station. If no oxygen, it's anaerobic, so the cell's like fermentation. And there's 2 types.
One is lactic acid, and that's when pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. Bacteria that do this help make yogurt and cheese. The other is alcoholic fermentation. That's when pyruvate acid is converted into ethyl alcohol. Wine comes from this. Oh, and CO2 is released in alcoholic fermentation. But both processes make NAD+, which goes back into glycolysis. Cool.
Hey! If there's oxygen in the cell, it don't need no fermentation, because more energy can be obtained through aerobic respiration.
Glycolysis is only 3.5% efficient.
Cellular respiration, only if you've got an invitation. Can you come and join the nation? We need energy, so we the plants farmers grow and make ATP through a series of complex processes. Second, conversion. Pyruvate conversion. Second step of respiration. Takes 2 CoA and 2 pyruvate and makes 2 acetyl-CoA. Also takes NAD+, converts it to NADH and H+. CO2 is released now, it's about time you bow down. Then the acetyl-CoA's like, I wanna go somewhere. The Krebs cycle seems nice, I think that I'll go there.
Third, Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is in the mitochondrial matrix, along with the pyruvate conversion. It combines acetyl-CoA with oxaloacetate to make citric acid. The citric acid goes through many steps that result in 3 NADH being made, 1 FADH2 being made, and 1 ATP being made. Also, oxaloacetate is recreated to keep the cycle going. Remember, this happens twice because there's 2 acetyl-CoAs. NADH, FADH2, and ATP are all high energy carriers. In the next step, NADH and FADH2 will be used to make ATP.
Next step, ETC. In the mitochondrial membrane, NADH and FADH2 release their hydrogen atoms because they're like, we don't need you. These electrons from hydrogen bounce along the electron chain and feel the pumping of hydrogen protons between the inner and outer membranes. Then the hydrogen atoms say, there's way too much of us in this place. They're like, let's find some breathing space. We'll diffuse right through the ATP synthase. Then just like in photosynthesis, the synthase performs chemiosmosis. The ADP and phosphate have got this, wanting to form ATP to put in the matrix. Now remember, the electron transport chain, they're kinda now all out of energy. They pretty much just ran a race. And the final electron acceptor is kinda running out of space. And he's like, oxygen, help me get these guys out of this place. So the oxygen combines with hydrogens, electrons, and protons. It's excited to make friends now, and it's readily free to bond to oxygen, 4E minus, and 4H plus, don't you know? Combine to form a universal solvent that we call small H2O. That's water. Cellular respiration. Only if you've got an invitation can you come and join the nation. We need energy, so we eat the plants farmers grow and make ATP through a series of complex processes. Aerobic respiration. How much ATP is it making? Just a little less than 38, 'cause some energy is lost along the way. And we totally understand some NADH have traveled from faraway lands, yo! Okay, here's the whole equation. Okay, hold on. Read it through. Okay, cellular respiration. Only if you've got an invitation can you come and join the nation. We need energy, so we eat the plants farmers grow.